So hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Faith and I'm so happy to be making this video this early morning. I just woke up and maybe you might meet a lot of videos like this that I'm just talking and maybe I'm just somewhere here clicking my desktop or my laptop most of the time. So I'm just here and I woke up. I had a bit of a complication with my stomach. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but I was feeling like I wanted to diarrhea. My stomach was quite heavy inside. It was just not feeling so nice. And so I remembered to myself, I asked myself, there are home remedies of treating some things in our bodies, guys. And I came to realize that most of the time we run to medications and we never take heed also to listen to our own bodies. And this is a solution of sugar and salt. Clearly, you can see from this cup, it is not clear water because I've mixed salt with sugar. So I want to bring you here to this particular place here. I was really searching. Before I even read out to you, I know you can already see it. My grandma has always, she's a nurse. Always, when you are sick, she would first of all give us salt and sugar solution to drink. In case we had anything, any issue with our stomach, it will just disappear just like that. And by the time maybe you're getting to the hospital, you find maybe something minute or you're already healed by that. So I don't know how they believed that was so, but I have used the same faith that my grandma used on me and also my mom while growing up to be able to take these. So this is the second one. This I have made so that I can show you. This was the first one. This one. I don't know. I'm just using my phone. This one here. And guys, my stomach, I feel it has been treated. So I went on ahead to check somewhere down below here. What does salt and sugar solution help with? What are the uses of salt and sugar? What are the benefits of drinking warm water with sugar and salt? Guys, it improves physical performance, reduces muscle soreness, and boosts energy levels. And it has so much of the benefits. But the one that caught my mind so much was treating dehydration and preserving food. Of course, this was in the olden days. I don't know if we still use it nowadays, and making saline solutions. And there's this other one here. It treats dehydration due to diarrhea or vomiting. So anytime maybe you feel like your stomach is not okay, why not try salt and sugar, guys? I've also come here and I've seen people have made multiple videos about sugar and salt and water and all that. So guys, that's it from me today. I'll leave your comments down below my video so that I'm able to know if the video was helpful to you guys, and also recommend what video should I post next, guys, on the channel. So my name is Faith, yeah, and that's it from me today. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, don't be left out. Let's learn together. Bye.